Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve incoming call problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you have to, what you need to do is that at first you have to press this one, call app. Okay, you just press this call app. No, before you press this call app, what you need to do is that you have to check the recharge on your mobile phone. If you don't know how to check the recharge, you just dial the number 121. Okay, when you call the 121, they will tell your mobile phone recharge whether it is there or not. Okay, so if you recharge today itself only and the incoming call doesn't came, so it's in this problem what you need to do is that you just press this one call app and move on this app info. After that you have to scroll down, then move on this storage, then click on clear data and click on OK. Here this incoming call problem will be solved, and if it doesn't solve by doing this, you have to move on. This is the another steps. Okay, just click on this setting. Again you have to scroll on the down. When you scroll down, you have to scroll down to general management. Okay, so here is the general management. Just click on it. After you have been click on it, you have to scroll on to reset. So click on reset. Then here you have to click this reset network setting and click on reset, then confirm the password and reset it. When you reset it, they will not harm your contact number or photos or videos. They won't harm it. Okay, I mean it will not be delayed. Okay, so it will just solve the problem of incoming problem or the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, or the Bluetooth problem. Okay, it will just solve the network problems. Okay, so it will be solved. Okay, so friends, if it doesn't solve by doing this also, I'll tell you, I'm going to show you another steps. Okay, just move on setting again, then click on again on general management. After that you have to scroll again to reset now. Okay, reset, then click on factory data reset. When you click on factory data reset, you have to scroll on the down and click on reset. So friends, when you click on this reset, before you click on this reset, what you need to do is that friends, please back up your photos and videos, even the WhatsApp documents and files. Okay, then only your Samsung mobile phone photos, videos, or WhatsApp documents will not be deleted. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, please like the video. And friends, I want to tell you some more important notice. I mean, one important is that if it doesn't solve by doing this, no, you have to move service center or the local shop. Okay, so friends, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.